Welcome back to another schema Scalper video. It's been a while, so let's get straight into it. Today we're going to be looking at volume and strong and weak breaks of swing highs and swing lows. So firstly, we're going to need volume. Also, we're going to need instrument with true volume, quote unquote, and I'll have a video on that. What you can use for that, and then yeah, as you can see, -4. That's just New York time zone. It's just easier for me to sync up all my charts like this because I have TradingView, I have Sierra charts, and then I've got another platform, and it's just easier to sync it all up like that instead of having like a global time, whatever. Yeah, giving me some random time. So we're gonna be looking at volume. First of all, the way I usually do it is I move this to a pane below, so it'll have its own kind of window. And what we're looking at is swing highs, which is just my drawing tool. Which is basically this. That's a swing high. This right there is a swing high. Because this doesn't go above here. This doesn't go above here. So that's swing high. Swing low is exactly the opposite. This doesn't go below here. This doesn't go below here. That's a swing low. Okay. Delete that. So we're looking at every swing high and swing low, and then we're counting back whenever that's broken. So here, for instance, we have a swing high broken. We're counting back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles on the volume chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, and we're checking how high that is compared to the last 5 candles. So if it's the highest, it's probably, or yeah, it's probably like a true break or true breakout is what I look at it as. And that high is probably gonna get broken, and we're probably gonna stay within that range that the swing low made. So this swing low, so this swing high after it's broken, like as a true break, we're probably gonna stay within that range until there's either another swing high or swing low made within the range that gets broken with high volume. So high volume is just a candle that has at least first or second place. First meaning there's nothing higher than it, or second meaning there's only one candle in the last 5 that's higher than it. So for instance, this one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is third because there's 2 higher than it. So this is what I look at as like maybe a false break. And you can see it continue down after that. But let's look at it in terms of that. For all swings going forward. So this swing high is never tested, or at least short term. This swing low, tested here. But let's continue before that was tested. This swing high, it's broken here. So let's just do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's probably gonna hold. And when I say probably, I mean probably. You need to mix this with other factors. So then you're looking at this swing high, swing low, sorry, and this one that's now broken with this candle. Big down candle. Let's check the volume. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breaks, highest volume. It's probably going to continue going down. That's basically like the premise of how I use these volumes for through breakouts or false like breakouts, false breaks. So now the new swing high is here. The new swing low is here. So it makes a new swing high over here. And we count now, we count back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's about the highest. So this is like a true. I'll just mark this one as true. This one, 2. So it goes in this direction until proven otherwise. Like this, if this was a bad break, like it didn't have as much volume. Let's say this candle's volume was on this bar. That would mean it's a bad break. Maybe it breaks that and it goes lower. It will take out this low again and then retrace into the area of this bar and then go lower. That's what I've observed. So now we're continuing higher. We're looking at for every time there's a break higher. Okay, this is new swing high, broken. Yeah, that's very low volume. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just expand this plane. And this is why I have it like this as a window. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's all equal, but there's one higher. So this one is still valid. And then the next break comes up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Valid break. I should actually be using these arrows. Valid break. There was no time. Oh, here's a swing low actually. So here you might see this is like a false break. This candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see there's a lot of candles with higher volume, and this broke. So it broke that low with low volume. It broke the swing with low volume. Here you could see something similar, but after this candle, it's confirmed that it's actually a break. Because here's another break of the swing. And then this would be a false break. Okay, now I've got new swing low, never tested, swing high. One, two, three, four, five. So there's two higher. So this one is iffy, as you can see that. But now, when this low gets broken, we count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is iffy as well. Then we wait. If this low gets broken again with volume, we know, okay, that will probably be a true break. Or if this high gets broken with volume, it will be a true break. So this is the candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. True break. Now you can see when these candles break, like with true breaks, a lot of times they don't come back to test the low of the candle. Like this false break still comes into the range. This true break doesn't test this low again for a while, until the high is broken at least. This true break, the low never got tested again until the high was broken, which is here, and then even further on. So now we'll go here. We're getting to the top of the range for the day, so you're going to see more false breaks. Yeah. Let's get it. So this one, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got this, which is kind of a false break, but didn't show on the volume. So there's two equal and then two higher. So there's only beats one. Similar, there was something similar up here. Yeah, this one. No, this one was I look at it as false break. Boom. Got this swing low now. This swing high. So it's basically basically moving in ranges. So it's swing high to swing low, and you're waiting for that break to see which direction you want to go in. And you could have really safe stops because you're going to see this one is probably a true break. There's nothing ahead of it. So yeah, volume 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is how I look at it, like how I use it. True break, stop could be safe above there. With entering anywhere inside this range. If you're looking for low prices, stop could be safe above here. True break. Now the next one, probably, bless me, probably also true break. Actually, no, it's not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's two, one higher, one equal, and beating 3. So that's kind of a true break, but it's not, not really good. And now we're looking at this candle, definitely true break. But so you need to look at like the candle itself to make up how it looks. Like for instance, this is now like I don't know what it's called, like a spin top, what? Doji, whatever it's called. So it went down, came back into it, and it broke with high volume. This will be a true break now. But because of the makeup of the candle, I wouldn't really trust this high to be um like kept safe. And we're looking swing low. So this is the range, swing high. One, two, three, four, five. Equal to one beating two. I'll look at that as kind of a true break. And then it breaks this lows. On this candle, which a if you know about trading, there's different participants, if I could say like that. So when you start the day off, you'll see really high volume. Let me just extend this out to give you guys proper view on what's going on. Yeah, look at that volume. So you'll see really high volume in the beginning and the end of the day. This is just people settling their like end of day positions. I don't want to go into much detail, but they're just settling end of day positions. You're gonna see it 15:59. I'll go into 1 minute chart. Can I get 1 minute? Let's just do replay up to here. 1 minute chart. You'll see a huge amount of volume at 15:59 and then 1600. So this is like, if I could put it like, this is mass manipulation in this time. Look at the volume, like compared to the rest of the day. This is basically everyone trying to square up the positions. If you're in the loss, you're trying to manipulate price so that you could get a better close. Things like that. Like there's a lot of things going on here, so you don't want to really touch this let's say the last 15 minutes of trading for the day. So 15, oh my gosh, 15:45 until 1600, we do not touch. This is like a no, for me, this is like a no-go area. You can trade it, you can find something that works, but for me, there's no reason. I don't want to play their games. You're gonna get spun. You're gonna get spun around. Where's my text tool? There we go. Big X, big no go, big no go. For me at least. And if you guys think I'm joking, like go and find out or just search like why this is not a good time to trade. Anything after this I'm not looking at. Okay, I'm going to delete that line. So in this time, I'm not looking for anything. I don't know, I have my positions closed or at least most of my positions closed for the day. And yeah, that's how I look at true and false breaks. You can see like even on the 1 minute it looks like these candles. Oh, I didn't do it right now. Too bad. You'll see these candles where I marked it, it's still holding. So it breaks that, it's still holding this range. The false break, still holding here. That high is still holding, this high is still holding. This high gets run out here and it doesn't, you don't get the other end of this range. But yeah, that's how I use volume, or one of the aspects in the way I use and trade volume. If you guys found this insightful, interesting, yeah, that's cool. Cheers.